oops, I shouldn't have done that. I think one of the most powerful features, and Andy touched on that, is around the granular restore capabilities of Protege. Right. So at the moment we take a backup, we natively integrate with the Atlassian APIs. So we go through all of the projects. We know exactly what you have stored in your projects. So we keep track of that and we show what we can restore within that project, whether that is at the project level, whether that is a bug, task, epic, or all the way down to attachments. We can do that. So for instance, if I go into the same Arc Cloud engineering project in Jira and go to all of my issues, go to all issues, and for instance, I do a big oopsie moment, right? We're all about the oh shoot moment. For instance, somebody deletes this attachment over here, right? So oops, I shouldn't have done that. Let's log into Protege and delete that. All right, so remember RCE 17 is the ticket number. We'll go in here. We use the most recent backup from from yesterday, actually. I have to remember where this was. It's on the 9. So RCE 17, there is the attachment I just accidentally deleted. And basically in just a few clicks, we start the restore operation. We basically are opening up the backup, finding that attachments, and then dropping that right back into the Arc Cloud engineering project over there. While that's working, let's explore a little bit more. I talked about policies. Policies are what defines your what we call RPO. How often do I take a backup? How long do I keep my data? And where do I store my data, right? So in this case, the backups are being placed in a Google Cloud instance. If we look at storage in particular, here you see all of those storage targets that we have. We, of course, integrate with Amazon S3 as well, right? So if you want to keep your backups in S3, more than willing to do that. Just give us your API access keys and so on, and we can store your backups over there. But basically there, you can enable Worm, you can enable encryption. So all of those backups, they're really, really secure. Nobody can touch those until the Worm timer logs off. Let me see how far we are. Yep, the restore has completed, right? So in about a minute and a half, we basically restore the attachment I just deleted. So if I go back over here now and I basically hit a refresh, now you'll see that the attachment has been restored. So everybody can continue working. This works exactly the same if I want to restore, for instance, I want to restore a particular ticket or the entire project, right? If the admin made an oopsie and deleted a project he shouldn't have, we can restore that very easily as well.